Let's discuss about car maintenance. Today, I'm going to be discussing some important aspects of car maintenance which can help you keep your car running smoothly without issue. Do you know most of us just drive cars without checking a lot of things, a lot of basic things on our car, and this has caused a lot of unnecessary spending, lot of stress, and even accident in some cases. Number one, lack of regular oil changes. This has caused a lot of car owners and drivers unplanned expenses, spending a lot of money to repair their cars. You see, when you don't change your engine oil regularly, it reduces performance of the car and increase wear and tear, and this can cause your car to overheat, and when your car overheat, it causes fire, or it tends to cause fire and explode in some cases. Number two, lack of tire maintenance. Most people just drive car without checking the condition of their tires, and this has caused a lot of accident and even death. When your car tires pressure is too high or is too low, it tends to vibrate, and a continuous vibration can cause your car to lose its stability, and hence it cause accident and a lot of damages. Number three, lack of brake maintenance. This is another most neglected aspect of car maintenance, and it has caused a lot of accident and death in most cases. And most people are driving cars without knowing or checking their brake condition, and this is very hazardous. Imagine you driving a car and you match on a brake and it tends not to hold your brake. That is, you begin to panic, and this is something that could have been prevented even before you hit the road and you start your journey. Number four, lack of other fluid checkup. This has caused a lot of car knockdown, and most of us just drive car without checking other fluid like the radiator fluid, which can cause overheating if not regularly maintained. And number five, lack of battery maintenance. This is another important aspect. Most of car owners don't check their battery condition until it stops working. This has caused a lot of disappointment. Imagine you prepare to go out and you went out. After going out, you park your car and you came back to start your car. The car refused to start. That is a disappointment. And imagine you are in a hurry to get somewhere and you start your car, enter your car, you start your car, and the car battery has gone down. So that is why it's very important to always check your car battery before anything, before going out, or before it even develop fault. That is very important. So what are the things you need to do to keep your car running smoothly? What are the five important things? Number one is regular changes of the engine oil. This is very important aspect to maintain your car, and this will prevent your car from overheating. The car engine oil helps lubricate your car engine, which can improve performance of the car and a lot much more. The engine oil of a car should be changed every 6 months to 12 months maximum, or after traveling a distance of 5,000 to 7,500 miles. And this is very important. Even without traveling, once you notice you've been using the car engine for maximum of 6 months, it should be changed every 6 months. That is very important. Number two, tire maintenance. This is another important aspect of maintaining your car. This has helped prevent accident and car stability. The more stable the pressure of your car tire, the less fuel consumption, and the less the car getting accident. So always check your car tires regularly and know the condition before stepping out. Even before stepping into your car, you should always look to check for the condition of your car tire. And generally, every car tire should be changed at least 6 to 5 years. At least 6 to 5 years is very important. Number three, brake maintenance. This is a very important aspect for safety, and always ensure you check your brake pad and brake oil regularly to prevent brake failure and accident. Your brake oil should be changed at least every 4 to 6 months. It's very important. Number four, regular fluid checkup. This is a very important aspect. To check your car fluid is very important, like the radiator fluid, which help regulate the temperature of your car engine and a lot much more. And it also prevents overheating of your car. Checking for the water regularly is very important. This should be checked on a daily basis. Number 5, battery maintenance. The battery is very important. It's as important as the whole car itself. So without a good battery, your car cannot start. So without you starting your car, you don't move anywhere. So you need to take good care of your car batteries to avoid corrosion. Always keep the head of the terminals neat. Generally, a car battery should be changed and replaced every 3 to 5 years maximum. Every 3 to 5 years is very important. Even if it's still working, you can still change it. So following all this procedure, we not only ensure your safety, but we also ensure the safety of your car, and hence your car lasts long without developing any fault. Follow, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you.